around them. Muhao was never, I don't know. Maybe he was never best friends with Kabza. It was strictly business. He was signed.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? With the people around him, né? Those are the people I'm referring to, that he takes good care of them.
That's why you don't feel like you just feel like it was a business.
It's the business side of things that
Not
needs
a
to be
personal
fixed,
thing.
not a personal thing.
Okay.
But with the ones I'm mentioning, whenever just be happy
But
you
it's
are
not,
around.
but it's not like he's not away. It's not like he's not away at this point. But
Well, as from
Guys,
last
come on,
week he's
guys.
away, I expect
But
him
guys,
to, of course.
let's do this. Let's find out if there's been any developments next week.
Okay.
Then we can move from there.
We'll call Muhao Keys to
Yeah,
the show.
but it's a paper. I think
Can
it's
we?
a paperwork thing.
We
We'll
can bring
definitely
Muhao
do
Keys to
that.
the show.
Let's do that. I think let's do that and then.
Muhammad has
yeah.
a very good heart, and I love him.
Oh, no, he's
you know, he
great.
just came to La Youth here announced, and he's like, "Yo, bro, I just came here to see how it's going."
Let
On
me
a
play.
Tuesday. I love him, John.
He's a
I love
sweet
him.
guy.
No, he didn't play. He didn't play. Yeah.
He always play.
Yeah.
That's how much he loves music. He will
Yeah,
play.
bro.
If he said, "Oh, you wanna play? Or can you play?" He will play. Like